Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about product add-ons, another extension on Bumpa web app that you can add to your store to upsell products. So what's a product add-ons? In practice, product add-ons allow you as a merchant suggest or offer additional items that complement what the customer is already buying. That's right there on the product page or at checkout. So instead of a customer buying one or two things or just buying one thing and then leaving, they're sort of prompted to add related items to their order. So, for example, it could be someone who is buying skincare, you offer them like a complimentary serum or a toner, or if someone is buying a cake, you can ask if they want candles or a gift box or a party pack or a party hat. Sorry. So with add-ons, you can increase, the average order value without any extra marketing spend. And it feels helpful to the customer rather than feeling very aggressive. And it's just in the background. Once you set it up, it just runs by itself. And finally, you can turn a single item purchase, so someone buying one thing, into a multi item order or purchase. So that's somebody now buying multiple things. So now to set it up on your Bumper web app is very simple. You navigate to extensions from the menu options on the left, and then you click on product add-on. Now here you can see manage extensions. So there are two ways you can add a product add-on: by going to the settings here and then navigating to product page, or by going directly to the product page. So here you can already see the add-ons that are available and published. So to create a new add-on, you just come here to create add-ons. Then you can create your add-on here. So the first thing to do is to add the image. So let's say we want to add an add-on or upsell for a hand cream. So we want to upsell for the Kemi hand cream, which is basically cream for the hand. So the add-on we want to add is, let's say, a cortical oil for treating your corticals. So you just click here and add the image. Then once it's done uploading, you can then add the name of the product. So let's call it cortical oil. Then next is to select the store where this product will appear, where this add-on will appear. So you can select one or multiple, and immediately it is applied. Then the next is the price of your add-on. So let's say, for example, it's 3,000 naira. That is your selling price. Then your quantity. So how many do you have in stock? So we go with 20. Then next is to add your cost price. So we can say 25. Then here you select the products that this add-on will be applied to. So let's just apply it to the hand cream, and there you go. So once you're done, you can always edit your selection here. So you can apply it to multiple products. And once you're done, you click on save. And once you are done setting up your add-on, you click on save. Now, for the sake of this video, let's do another one so that we can see the add-ons on the particular product. So let's say we want to add this time around nail polish. So as usual, you add the image, then you name the product, nail polish. Then you also choose the locations. Let's say maybe this time around we only have it for Lagos. Then the price, the quantity, and the cost price. So let's say the cost price for this is 3,000. And then as usual, you select the products that it would appear on. And that's it. So you add it. So now your add-ons have been published, and let's see what it looks like on the website. So now we're on the website and we're going to be a shopper. So this is basically what your customers will see when they come to shop. So this is the products the add-on was applied to. You click on it as the customer, and then you add to cart. Now here you can see the extras, right? This is what your customers will see. So once they click on this, they would see your add-ons. They would see the add-ons that you have to this particular product, and then they can choose the quantity of the one they want to buy. Let's say they want to buy 2 or they want to buy 3. So once they're done, they add it here and it appears here, and then they can add everything to cart and then come to checkout. So once they check out, they have purchased the product and the add-on. And that's basically what the add-on looks like. Like I mentioned earlier, it's great for upselling, and it's a great way to increase your average order value. So that's it for add-ons. See you in the next video where I'll be breaking down the next extension. Bye.